Oh, now this is what I call a round hemp house.
What do you think?
Oh my lord! Oh wow! This is awesome. I love it, and the smell. This is a healthy house.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right?
this is a healthy house, for sure.
8.3 pH with the lime. This is what we mean when we say make your space a healthy place.
For sure.
Yeah.
My goodness, this is awesome. This is really, wow. It's better than I'd thought, to be honest.
Yeah, people come in when they see the outside, they're like, oh, this is pretty cool, Hempcrete Roundhouse. And then they come in and they see the ceiling and the skylight and everything and the hempcrete walls, and they're like, whoa, when are you going to build me one of these? Yeah.
So you got orders now?
We do. We have people interested, yeah.
People interested in
That is great.
this
Yeah.
design, yeah.
That's awesome. So do you want to explain the process for our viewers in terms of from the ground up? I've seen the process, the progress pictures that you've been sending me. But can you explain what you've got because you laid some special mix on the floor, didn't you, on the ground?
Yeah, we did.
And then explain through the roof for us.
The first thing we did was of course, we poured the foundation, and then we did CMU block or cinder block, and then on top of that, we did 2 courses of Fazwall, which is our insulating that gives us an R22 R value, and then we laid down about 7 inches of volcanic rock, which gave us our insulation layer, about an R10, and then we did 5 inches of road base, which is going to be our thermal mass, which is going to soak up the sun, the heat from the sun, and then we're doing 1.5 inches of poured earth on top of that. So that's our foundation and floor. And one of the reasons why we use the Fazwall wall system because it's 12 inches wide, which is what our hempcrete walls are. So it worked really well. It was a nice marriage. And then, of course, we did our sill plate and the framing. And that took a little over a month to get the framing done. And then we held the workshop with the instructor from Hemp Technologies and filled in about half of the hempcrete with them. And then trained some people from a local natural building school. Had them come for a few days and then trained them and had them help us finish the home. And then we finished the roof after that. And the ceiling material that you can see is just a tongue and groove cedar, which matched the trim, which was part of the roof kit. So everything from the top plate up, not including the ceiling, is the kit that we got from Smiling Woods Yurts. So the metal roof, the skylight, the Douglas fir laminated ring, all of that came from there. And then we put in about 10 and a half inches of wool, and that was our insulation, is sheep's wool. Yeah, so we get about an R45 R value out of the sheep's wool.
Yeah, and the sheep's wool comes from Oregon, so it's pretty local. And also they get recycled aspects from sweaters from different companies as well that goes in there.
You'll see like purple pieces of yarn and stuff in there.
Yeah.
So was it loose or was it in a roll?
It was loose.
It's loose, yeah.
It's loose fill? Okay.
Yeah.
So for 10 inches, you got an R45?
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, 10 to 11 inches, and then we had two hoppers that basically pushed it up, and we had scaffolding that was up here, and we basically just blew it down in each bay of the roof. So that's how we did it. Yeah.
We grow stronger.